Today start a next chemical reaction of diazonium salt. Look here. Here the fourth chemical reaction, mild reductions. Mild reduction. Look here, a mild reduction, there are a reductions, everybody, a diazonium salt, there are two types. First is the by using S3PO2 means phosphinic acid or hypophosphoric acid or a hypophosphoric acid, and second the ethanol. Everybody, ethanol means by using the ethyl alcohol. By using ethyl alcohol. Look here everybody, a one point the reaction here like this. A solution of diazonium salt N2X minus. When solution of diazonium salt is treated with a reducing agent like this, correct? S3PO2, you know, hydrolysis H2O. Look here, it gives ARH, name of the compound, it gives the corresponding arene. It gives a corresponding arene. You know, byproduct here S3PO3. Okay, a phosphoric acid and the plus with evaluation of N2 gas. Okay, next the plus HCl. Look here, repeat. When arene diazonium halide. When a solution of a arene diazonium halide is treated with a reducing agent like S3PO2, it gives the corresponding arene. Look here, repeat. When solution of arene diazonium salt is treated with a reducing agent S3PO2 means a phosphinic acid or hypophosphoric acid, it gives corresponding arene. Look here, next point here. Everybody, how is prepared, how is obtained benzene from a benzene diazonium chloride. Correct? Yes. Look here, a simple question here, simple, like this. Name of the compound benzene diazonium chloride, N2 plus Cl minus, benzene diazonium chloride. Here benzene diazonium chloride, correct? Yes, benzene diazonium chloride. Look here, when benzene diazonium chloride is treated with a reducing agent like phosphinic acid, or a hypophosphoric acid, it gives the benzene, correct? It gives benzene. Look here, how is it obtained benzene from a benzene diazonium chloride. A simple reaction here. When benzene diazonium chloride is reduced by a phosphinic acid or hypophosphoric acid, it gives benzene. Okay, by using a phosphinic acid, you know, to form the most important compound benzene. Correct? Yes. Look here, second, everybody. Here, second, by using a second reducing agent by using ethanol. Second, by using ethanol. Correct? Yes. Look here, everybody, a general reaction here. A solution of arene diazonium salt. Salt reduced by, directly here 1 minute, direct, plus plus C2 CH2, next is the OH, reduced by ethanol. Okay, ethanol. Look here, ethanol, common name ethyl alcohol. Common name ethyl alcohol. Correct? Yes. When arene diazonium salt is reduced by ethanol. Look here, compound. It gives arene. Arene, ARH. Name of the compound here, arene. Okay, arene. Okay, remaining part. Okay, remove the hydrogen like this, CH2 group. Remaining part, CH3CHO. CH3COH. Name of the compound, acetaldehyde. Plus, okay, evaluation of N2 gas. Plus evaluation of N2 gas. Plus H, okay, H. Look here, when solution of arene diazonium salt is reduced by ethanol, it gives corresponding arene. It gives a corresponding arene. Repeat all of you. When the solution of a arene diazonium salt is reduced by ethanol, means ethyl alcohol, it gives corresponding arene. It gives corresponding arene. Okay? Yes. A specific reaction here. All of you. A specific reaction. Simple. Next reaction. Look here, benzene diazonium. Like this, benzene diazonium. Okay, yes. N2, okay, Cl. N2 plus Cl minus signs. N2 plus Cl minus signs. Name of the compound? Benzene diazonium chloride. Benzene diazonium chloride. Look here, benzene diazonium chloride is reduced by ethanol. CH3CH2OH. Name of the compound ethanol here. Ethanol. Like this. Ethanol. Correct. Okay. Compound. It gives most important compound like this, benzene. It gives benzene plus acetaldehyde CH3COH with evaluation of N2 gas plus HCl. How is benzene, everybody? How is benzene obtained from benzene diazonium chloride? Look here, a solution of benzene diazonium chloride is reduced by ethanol, means a ethyl alcohol it gives. Okay, it gives the benzene. Everybody, a mild reduction. There are two methods. First by using phosphenic acid, and second by using ethanol. Correct? Yes. Look here, a next reaction. Okay, a phenol formation. Next is phenol formation. Number 5, phenol formation. Correct? Everybody, a phenol formation. 5th, phenol formation. Look here. Look here, a solution of arene diazonium halide. A solution of arene diazonium halide means AR, here N2 and next X. Means N2 plus X minus arene diazonium halide. Correct. Look here, a arene diazonium halide means salt slowly added to a large volume of a boiling dilute sulfuric acid plus H2. Okay, dilute H2SO4. Look here, it gives the corresponding phenols. It gives a corresponding phenols. AROH, phenols. Correct? Okay, phenols plus with evaluation of N2 gas. With evaluation of N2 gas plus HX. Look here, when arene diazonium halide added in a large amount of a acidic solution of dilute H2SO4, it gives corresponding phenols. It gives a corresponding phenol. Repeat here, a solution of a diazonium, halide means salt, everybody. Okay, here is slowly added to large volume of boiling dilute sulfuric acid. It gives corresponding phenols. It gives corresponding phenols. Everybody here, next is the, next most important reaction. Like this. How is obtained phenol from benzene diazonium chloride by the hydrolysis method? Repeat, how is obtained, phenol from a benzene diazonium chloride by hydrolysis method? Look here, a simple benzene diazonium chloride means N2Cl, double bond. N2 plus Cl minus name of the compound benzene diazonium chloride. Okay, the solution added in large amount of a dilute solution of H2SO4. H2. Here dilute H2SO4. Correct? It gives. Look here, simple. It gives the compound like this. Most important compound, phenol. Name of the compound, phenol. Like this, phenol. Plus evaluation of N2 gas plus HCl. Correct? Look here, simple questions here. How is obtained here phenol from a benzene diazonium chloride? This is the hydrolysis method. Look here, a benzene diazonium chloride added a large amount of dilute H2SO4. It gives phenol. Everybody, a benzene diazonium chloride prepared from aniline. A simple question: how will you convert aniline into phenol? There are two steps. First is the diazotization. And second, the hydrolysis. First step is look here, when aniline is reacted with nitrous acid, at the temperature, a 273 Kelvin to 278 Kelvin. First it gives benzene diazonium chloride. Which on hydrolysis binding the dilute H2SO4 to form the phenol. In the phenol chapter, everybody, how will you obtain phenol from aniline? How will you obtain from aniline? But in this chapter, how will you convert a benzene diazonium chloride into phenol? Answer: a solution of benzene diazonium chloride added a large amount of a acidic solution, everybody, a dilute H2SO4, it gives phenol. Correct? Everybody, all chemical reaction of diazonium salt are completed. Stop here.